If you think you can create a PowerPoint slide like this, then please skip this video. Otherwise, please open Microsoft PowerPoint, then place a text box like this and type as you like, say, nature. Then increase its text size as it fit for the window. Then draw a rectangle shape from Shape option like this. And change its background to white. Then select the rectangle shape and click Right button, select the option, Send to Back. Then select both text box and rectangle shape. And select Combine option from Merge Shapes. Here we want to add some background to the text. For that you need to insert one picture. Select the picture, then click Right button, then select Send to Back option. Here we want to add some animation to the picture. For that, we select linear movement to the picture like this. Then adjust the animation options as you required. Now let's see the slide view. Hope this is useful in your next presentation. Please try today itself.
Next, I will show you how to create this PowerPoint presentation by using Trigger.
Open a blank slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. Here we want to add a background image. For that, select Insert tab, then Image. Then choose an Imaga as you like. Now we want to place some buttons over map. For that, from Shapes option, place oval shape like this. Take copies of this oval shape and place accordingly. Okay, well and good. Now we want to show some label while we click on these buttons. For that, place a rectangle shapes from Shape option like this. Format these shapes as you required. And then add text to these shapes. Similarly, do it for other shapes. Okay, good. Now it is the time to add some animation to the label. For that, select the shape, then from Animation panel, Choose an animation, say fade. Now, the important part, here we want to add some trigger. For that, select the shape, and then choose Trigger option. Select, on click of Option, then select the oval shape that you want to activate the trigger. Let's check whether it is working or not. Yes, it is working. Similarly, add trigger to all other labels. Okay, finally we are going for a slideshow. Wonderful, it's working.
If you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe.